Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a lower ball joint press. Before starting any automotive repair, prioritizing safety is crucial. Begin by gathering your complete ball joint press kit, including all necessary adapters, along with essential safety gear like robust safety glasses and durable work gloves. Next, ensure your vehicle is securely elevated on sturdy jack stands, providing a stable and safe working environment. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and protected repair process. Once prepared, the next step is carefully removing the old ball joint. First, loosen and completely remove the castle nut or any retaining bolt that secures the ball joint to the steering knuckle. Then, select the appropriate receiving tube and removal adapter from your press kit, positioning them precisely around the old ball joint. Carefully align the press tool, ensuring everything is square, and slowly turn the forcing screw. This action will steadily press the worn ball joint out of its housing. With the old joint removed, it's time to install the new one. Begin by thoroughly cleaning the ball joint bore, ensuring it's free of any rust or debris. A clean surface is essential for proper seating. Apply a thin, even layer of grease to both the new ball joint and the bore. This lubrication aids in smooth installation. Select the correct installation adapter and receiving cup from your kit, carefully positioning the new ball joint. Then, use the press tool, turning the forcing screw slowly and evenly to press the new ball joint firmly into its housing until it is fully seated. After the new ball joint is seated, complete the installation by reinstalling the castle nut or retaining bolt. Tighten this fastener to the manufacturer's precise torque specifications, which you can usually find in your vehicle's service manual. Reconnect any other components that were detached, such as tie rods or control arms, ensuring they are also properly secured. Conduct a thorough visual inspection of all connections. Finally, lower your vehicle and strongly consider getting a professional wheel alignment to ensure optimal handling and prevent premature tire wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.